Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna unbox these Lexus LFA by Autoart Signature 1:18 scale replica. Thanks to my buddy Amr for selling me this beautiful car years ago at cost. Thank you so much for that, because having these scale model discontinued by Autoart, it's quite pretty rare now. I was looking at the listing at eBay. The lowest I can see is $500 Canadian. The highest is $700. So at this moment, this is my most expensive diecast I ever have. So let's open it. So the box is, yeah, I don't know what year they produced this one, but I have these for 6 years now. 6 years, yeah, almost 7. And I display these at the cabinet on and off, but sometimes I put it back on the box because it's collecting dust there. So before Autoart, they make their signature model with a certificate of authenticity with them, but I don't know why they stop it now. So some of the models, the newer models they make now, doesn't have the certificate of authenticity. So mine is 2727. And they also have a brochure. Yep. No, not a brochure. It's a instruction, I guess. So it's packaged with a styrofoam enclosure, and it is screwed underneath. As you can see, it is screwed underneath, but it's not screwed right now, so I'm not gonna flip it over. I should have bought gloves. Most of the diecast collectors, they're wearing gloves while touching their diecast, so they don't leave fingerprints on it. So it's pretty dusty. Yeah. You see, nice. So the details of this one is so exquisite. It looks like a real car. Even had the Mickey Mouse exhaust. Where's the hidden Mickey? And it says there, LFA. The details are so nice. I might need to remove the dust from this one. It's kind of dusty now. So let's open. So underneath, it's like, yeah, it says their serial number 2727. So that's underneath. You see the details of the wheels, the Lexus brakes, pretty nice. The F right there, you see the F means apex. There's a keyhole, but there's no actual hole in it, it's just a sticker. And the vent right there. Let's open the hood. Yeah, nice. don't know where did I put my picker, because this one comes with a picker to open the hoods and the doors. I don't know where I put it. Yeah, the details. Let's open the flash because it's kind of dim here. Yeah, the engine is so detailed. You can see it inside with dust on it, and the headlight. Yeah, and if we go to the back, to the rear end of it, this rear wing right here, it has a button underneath you can press. When you press it, it will pop. Yes, it has a like adjustable thing. So if you want to display it like that, you can display it like that. And it has a bottom underneath that you press to pop it out. When you want to put it back, you just press it. And I guess I don't remember if I can open this one, but let's try. Oh yeah, you can open it. See, I told you I need a picker. So it's carpeted. It has what you call it, like hydraulic stuff. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, the inside is very detailed too. Carpet flooring, steering wheel, the dashboard, carbon fiber accent. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's go the other side. It has a seat belt too. Haha. It's kind of dirty, so I might need to dust this one after this video. So yeah. So that's it. Autoart 1:18 scale Lexus LFA matte black. One of my rares. The only one I have that is rare. And I'm gonna post some pictures now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button for the next video. Thank you so much.